What is that? Looks like a tent of Naturehike. I think it's a Bleik series tent. It's new series. I'm not sure, but maybe you know better than me. This is type A, 3P. 3P it's mean for 3 person. Like this. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 3 person. Type A it's mean 1 zipper. But I think they have version with 2 zippers, and the name of this version with 2 zippers is type B. But type B it's a little bit expensive, I think. Here you can see Chinese characters, and I guess it's gonna be many of them. Here also, and here also. I'll turn it for you. Here is. You can see many Chinese characters here. I wonder if this English translation is identical to the Chinese characters. Maybe some of you know what this means. I'm not sure what it means, but I think it's the copy. For those who likes to check the details, I show you the model number. Maybe you will get some useful information out of it. So it's CNK 2550W S038, type A, 3 persons, forest green. The color of forest green, I'm not sure if that's the same color it was on the website. The size is centimeter for Americans. You can convert it yourself. 2 inches. Material it's 100% polyester. For floor it's also 100% polyester. Pole is aluminum alloy. It's good, and the aluminum is durable. And another information about, I think, fabric or brand of Naturehike. So this looks like technical information. And here we have some more information. I repeat, it's for those who likes to check the details. First, this tent made for temporary shelter and not for long-term use. Second, it can stand for weather changes, but not for extreme. It cannot survive for some huge snowfall. It has normal durability, but if you take care of it, it will prolong its life. And the last one, it cannot stand the fire. So be careful. This is what supposed to be inside the box. So pole 2 pieces aluminum, poles, stake 12 pieces, glue line 4 pieces, pole bag 1 piece, and storage bag, outer tent, inner tent, rope per bag. But in accordance to the website, as far as I understand, Naturehike don't sell parts anymore. And if you have damaged parts, you have to contact Naturehike, send them some video proofs maybe, and they will replace it. At least it's work like that. Let's open it.